Okay, ladies, I am going to show you how to use a spreadsheet for tracking and making menus and finding a way to make your budget work for the best for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in Chrome, in Google Chrome's Drive. Google Drive. And what that is a place for spreadsheets. I would suggest, you can use whatever spreadsheet you'd like, but if you're new to spreadsheets, Google Chrome is pretty awesome because you can access it from anywhere. So you can do it all on your laptop, so it's easier, use your keyboard and stuff like that. But then you can turn around and access it from your phone while you're in the grocery store. So I'm opening up my Northern Bells. That's the one I put my information on. And I'm just going to show you how to actually create a spreadsheet. I can take you to these ones I've already got going in just a minute, but I want to show you this. So we're going to make a new spreadsheet, and it'll be the one that looks like little columns and stuff. So it'll be Google Sheets. Okay, so what we're going to do is you would give your spreadsheet a name. So you just click on that. It's just moving really slow because I'm recording while I'm doing this. Okay, so I'm going to name this, oh my goodness, what a master, oops, get rid of that, sorry guys. Backspace, delete, it's going really slow. Okay, master menu pricing formula. Go, because what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make this my basic copy and paste. One that will always be empty. So what you do is when you click on this box up here, you see it selected all of these, turn them all a different color. So if you unselect, or if you just click on something, you just see this is highlighted or whatever you click and drag, but everything else is, not selected. So when we're creating a format, and we want it all, so like I could do this, but if I change the font, it's only going to change it for that cell. So you'll see, it's not what I'm looking for. I want them all to be uniform so it all looks nice, and I'm particularly in a funky mood, so I've been using Crushed. And so you just click and you see how it changed every single thing in here. So now anywhere I type in a cell is going to be that particular font. So if I click on that again and I change the size, because that's way too small for me to deal with, I'm going to change mine to 14. It's what I usually do. And so I like mine standard across all my sheets. So now you see that all of them are the same. Now you click on a cell, you can see that it says the font is Crushed and it's size 14. Okay, so I am going to clear all these, and all I'm doing is selecting the cells and pushing the space bar. It makes it go away. Okay, so now we have our all of the font formatted in the size and the font that we want, and you can change your colors here. You can make it bold, you can make it whatever, but if you're going to do that, you want to make sure it's selected. So for example, say I wanted this to be my title line. So I would put everything up here as a title, and titles are usually bold. We can make it bold. So we're going to say this is chili, and how much, and item or ingredient. Okay, so you go so on and so forth, blah blah blah. Okay. Anyhow, what we're actually going to do is I'm going to do this. This is the undo, which is going to be your best friend ever. So anyhow, I am going to show you how to create, these are my big words, guys. This is actually my first recording for you guys, so thank you for your patience and all that stuff. But I wanted to just show you some basics. In the next video, I'll show you how to do formulating for your price lists. So here, down here, you have the place where you can rename it. So we're gonna make this master formula for menu pricing. Actually, we can just leave it master formula because the rest is up there. So we're done that, push enter or return, whichever. And then right here you can see, you can add a sheet. You always want to, make sure you have a name. So what I do is I make a bunch of sheets as I go, and then I just make, so you'll see like one will be, I'll rename it. It's being slow. So rename, this will be chili. Because what I do is I'm breaking down my recipes and checking out the pricing and stuff. So this one I'll rename to macaroni and cheese. And that's homemade, obviously. You can even actually, when you do this one, you can even actually do your homemade recipe version and then how much it costs for making it out of the box. And then that way you can cost compare even down to that kind of level. So that is the basics on how to start using a spreadsheet. When you click on this, it selects everything, and that way you can format all of it the same. So now that I don't want that on there, it's being really slow, sorry guys. So now it's not selected again, so I don't want anything bold on this page. So I'm going to be done with this one, and then I will show you how to make formulas in your spreadsheets so you can best suit it for you. But I'm also going to do it so I can give them to you guys as well, in case it's just something you're not willing to do or wanting to do, because it's a whole nother added element. But sometimes it's a lot of fun to do it, so I thought I'd share it as I was making it for you guys as well.